Fix "I'm still learning how to generate images" Gemini error script. If you're seeing the message, "I'm still learning how to generate images" in Google Gemini, don't worry, this is a common issue. First, this usually happens because image generation is not enabled for your account or region. Gemini image tools roll out slowly and are not available to everyone at the same time. Second, make sure you're using the latest version of Gemini and you're logged in with a personal Google account, not a work or school account. Workspace accounts often block image features. Third, try switching to English language and refresh the page or restart the app. Sometimes the feature doesn't load properly. Fourth, if you're using the free version, understand that image generation may be limited or disabled. Some features are only available with supported plans or selected users. Important note, this is not a bug you can fully fix manually. If Gemini shows this message, it means the feature is not yet unlocked for your account. Final tip, wait for updates. Keep your app updated and check again later. Once Google enables it, the error disappears automatically. If you want, I can also make this even shorter, more beginner-friendly, or SEO optimized for YouTube.